Hi everyone, welcome to Focal Academy. In this video we have one challenge. So here print a list of numbers and list of strings. So here one data is given and it consists of integers and strings in one list, but make it as two lists. So one list consists of numbers, another list consists of strings. How can you make it? So first of all, create one empty list. So first of all, I am taking one empty list. So I am naming as numbers equal to empty list. So in that empty list I am going to use list compression. I for I in data now apply the condition here. If type of I equal to int, it is nothing but numbers. Now similarly copy this code, name as one empty list. So in that empty list paste it. This is for string. Now print numbers and print names. Now run the code. So here I am taking a double, so remove this double list. Now here we have got two lists. So one list contains only integers, that is 59, 23, 66, 72 and 18. So like this, and remaining strings are be stored in another list named as names, and these are in numbers. And this is the process of data separation in the given list. And thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share. Thanks.